How to mute notification of specific person on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can mute the notification of a specific person on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now tap on chats to open all of the conversations. Now here, just select the person whose notification you want to mute. Tap on it. Now you can tap on their name at the top. Right here, tap on it. Here, scroll down until you see notification and sounds. You can see it right here. Tap on notification and sounds. Now you can just toggle this on in order to mute the notification like this. Now you can mute this chat for 15 minutes, or you can just tap on until I change it so that it stays mute until you change it. Tap on it. In this way, your all the notification has been muted for this chat, just like this. That's it. This is how easy it is to mute the notifications on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.